May the magic open up a new world for you and bring you joy for your entire existence. So magic is already there, but her intention is should open up with for each and every one of us, And the most important point is you are going to create your own magical journey, that I can promise you. And what we are going to create in that is that we are going to show the gratitude that can transform your common days into Thanksgiving. It will be turning your routine jobs into joy, and it will change your ordinary opportunities into blessings. That is my promise to you. And I commit that your transformation is my commitment. So that is why I'm here for. And this is how we will proceed. And now we will do a little bit of gratitude that we will be doing every day. So let us fold our hands and just listen to me. It's a small prayer, we need to do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I love you, God. I love you, universe. I'm so grateful for this new day. I'm so blessed for this new life. Why I say new life means बहुत लोग आज दिन में उठ ही पाए नहीं होंगे, वो उन्होंने आज का सुबह देखा ही नहीं होगी. So we are so blessed that we are alive. So I'm so blessed and grateful for this new magical session that we are going to start with. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving us the opportunity to transform ourselves into the higher versions of ourselves, Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful to my wonderful parents who gave me best education, who gave me birth, who has done many sacrifices, and they have made me successful. I'm so thankful to my parents. I love you, Dad. I love you, Mom. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful and, thankful for my siblings that I have. They love me, they protect me, they support me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful for the life partner that I have, who is so important person in my life. He loves me, respects me, takes care of me, always there with me in all seasons of my life. I love him. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so blessed and grateful to my all teachers, mentors, gurus, who are providing me the best education, giving me best wisdom, and making me who I am today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so blessed and grateful to my sweet home, where I get all the meals, where I get all the comfort, where I am having a wonderful lifestyle. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so blessed and grateful for my perfect health, my cells, my tissues, my organs, my chakras, my systems. They all are strong, healthy, energetic, fit, and active. I'm so blessed and grateful for all my failures, all the challenges, all the hurdles that I get, in my life. Every hurdle, every failure is my experience. It's my learning. So every learning, every experience is giving me different lessons, and I'm creating my own stories. And those success stories are inspiring other people. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I'm so blessed and grateful for the success that I get, success of coming to the class, success of doing many things in whatever I do every day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for holding my hand. Thank you for taking me the way I can go. Thank you so much, God. I love you, God. I love you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So be it, so be it, so be it. Thank you. Yeah. So I hope everybody can see the PPT over there. So we just start the session. I would like to, bring to your notice how we are going to start the session. Every day we will be reading the chapters, and every chapter has different, different tools, different techniques. So we will be reading that, we will be pondering that, and we will be practicing through our different activities. And then it will be, some video will be shown, and there are different things that we'll be doing. Once a week we'll be doing practical sessions also, based on whatever things that we are doing. Every week we have one day as a practical session. This time we are keeping Sunday as off day, because many of the group members, they wanted Sunday as an off day. So this time we are keeping Sunday as off day. So let us start with it. The magic. One word changes everything. For more than 20 centuries, words within a sacred text have mystified, confused, and been misunderstood by almost all who read them. Only a few very people through history have realized that the words are a riddle, and that once you solve the riddle, once you uncover the mystery, a new world will appear before your eyes. In The Magic by Rhonda Byrne reveals his life-changing knowledge to the world. Then, on an incredible 28-day journey, she teaches you how to apply this knowledge in your everyday life. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances are, the magic is going to change your entire life. Believe me, आज भी मैजिक होता है, कल भी मैजिक होगा, और मैजिक होता ही रहेगा. सिर्फ हमें वो नजर चाहिए देखने के लिए, वो तरीका चाहिए उसको होने के लिए. So that is what in this book is telling you. आज थोड़ा सा थ्योरेटिकल सेशन लंबा होता है, क्योंकि ये पहला दिन है, आज 0 डे है. आज के दिन थोड़ा सा फाउंडेशन के लिए 6 चैप्टर्स हैं, जो कि हम जल्दी से फिनिश करेंगे. सो थोड़ा सा, अदरवाइज नॉर्मली जो चैप्टर्स होते हैं 2 या 3 पेज का होता है. So this is, do you believe in magic? Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. अगर आप बिलीव नहीं करते मैजिक को, तो आपको मैजिक नहीं पता चलेगा. बट बिलीव मी, मैजिक होता है, और सबकी लाइफ में होता है. We have to acknowledge it. So remember, when you were a child, you looked at life in total wonder and awe. Life was magical and exciting, and the smallest things were utterly thrilling to you. छोटी से छोटी चीज भी हमें थ्रिल करती थी, छोटी से छोटी चीज हमें अट्रैक्ट करती थी. So you were fascinated by the frost on the grass, a butterfly flittering through the air, or any strange leaf or rock on the ground. You were full of excitement when you lost a tooth, because it meant the tooth fairy would be coming that night, and you would count down the days to that magical night of Christmas, even though you had no idea how Santa Claus could get to every child in the world in one night. Somehow he did it, and he never let you down. Reindeer could fly, there were fairies in the garden, pets were like people, toys had personalities, dreams came true, and you could touch the stars. Your heart was full of joy. Your imagination knew no limits. You believed that life was magical. जब हम छोटे थे, हमें ऐसी बातें हमारे पेरेंट्स बोलते थे, हम इतने खुश होते थे, एक्साइटेडली वेट करते थे सेंटा क्लॉज का. So there is an exquisite feeling many of us had as children, that everything is good, that every day promises more excitement and adventure, and that nothing could ever thwart our joy for the magic of it all. But sometimes, somehow, as we grew into adults, responsibilities, problems, and difficulties took their toll on us. We became disillusioned, and the magic we once believed in as children faded and disappeared. It's one of the reasons why as adults we love to be around children, so that we can experience that moment. You know, मैंने अपने बारे में नहीं बताया. Let me introduce myself as well. Feeling as we. So I'm Monica Ori, and I call myself Motivated Monica. And I have a 30 years of experience in education. I started my journey from Springdale, Tholakua, Manav Bharati International, APJ Shekhar, Cambridge School, Noida, St. George's, Alaknanda, 2 years as vice principal, and then, as a director. Nowadays, I am an academic director in BPN Group, heading 25 schools of Shri Ram Global Preschools. So that is what my current designation is, and I'm surrounded by children. तो मुझे ये कुछ ज़्यादा relate कर पा रही हूँ, क्योंकि बच्चों के साथ जितना आप रहते हो उतना आप young रहते हो. You are alive. You feel so good. उनके सपने, उनकी छोटी छोटी बातें, उनके वो शरारत, कितना मजा आता है. So that is, you feel so good when you are around with the children. So I'm here to tell you that the magic you once believed in it is true. अब आज जो आप जर्नी शुरू करने जा रहे हो, उस चीज का मैं एक प्रॉमिस कर सकती हूँ आपसे. इफ यू आर रेगुलर इन द क्लास, दैट यू आर कमिंग रेगुलर, चलो एक आध मैं मिस कर सकती हूँ कि एक आध आप मिस कर पाओ, तो देन यू सी द, यू आर, इट इज मैंडेटरी टू वॉच वीडियो. और अगर आप एक क्लास मिस करते हो तो आपको 3 दिन बाद जाना पड़ेगा. सो आपको वो सारा दोबारा करना पड़ेगा. So that you need to make sure. And
हो गया ना, 20th से लिया था ना उसने लास्ट मंथ. फिर आज 21 है.
I must mute everybody, otherwise we will get disturbed like this. Yeah, I'm sorry. So that is what I'm trying to tell you is, that is my commitment to you, that you will get what you want. एक फॉर्म सबने फिल कर दिया, जो मैंने एक फॉर्म दिया था भरने के लिए, सबने फिल किया है? कोई रह तो नहीं गया फॉर्म फिल करने के लिए, रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म जो था? Please fill that form, because that is very important for me, because that is what I want. आज इस सेशन में आप जो डिक्लेयर करेंगे, आज से 30 दिन के बाद जब हम क्लास में बैठेंगे, आपके पास वो होगा. Provided you are regular in the class, you are doing assignment every day, and you have to submit your assignment every day. I will be giving you one link. You have to submit the assignment every day. I will be, seeing that आपका वो analysis भी चलेगा कि how committed you are. Then along with that, I will be providing you workbook. वो मैं अभी आपको दिखाऊंगी, जो जिसके अंदर आप assignment करेंगे. आप अलग कॉपी में भी कर सकते हैं, but I would recommend you do it over there, because it is a compiled book where you will write everything. So this is how the things will go. And along with this, not even with whatever we are learning in the magic, you will be learning one practical session also, where I will be teaching you different techniques where you are able to tackle your health, your wealth, and any problem that you are facing in your day-to-day routine. So that will be taken care. So that is my commitment, that you will be out of that thing and you will be living a very high vibrational state of life. That I can promise that. अगर आप मेरे साथ मेरे हिसाब से प्लीज चलते रहेंगे, so you will get the dream, whatever you want to live with, you will be living that only. So I'm here to tell you that the magic you once believed in is true, and it is this illusioned adult perspective of life that is false. क्योंकि जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं ना, हमारा दिमाग में बहुत सारे लॉजिक आते जाते हैं, बहुत सोचने लग जाते हैं हम कि ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा. और जो मैजिक होता है ना, उसके लिए कुछ नहीं चाहिए होता. मैजिक के लिए एक इंटेंशन चाहिए होती है और एक विल चाहिए होती है कि दिस इज व्हाट वी वांट, एंड द मैजिक विल हैपन, और वही होगा. एंड द मैजिक ऑफ लाइफ इज रियल, एंड इट्स एज रियल एज यू आर. सो इन फैक्ट लाइफ कैन बी फार more wondrous than you ever thought it was as a child. जैसे बचपन में था, आज भी वैसे हो सकती है और होगी. And more breathtaking or inspiring and exciting than anything you have seen before. When you know what to do to bring forth the magic, you will live the life of your dreams. Then you will wonder how you ever could have given up in believing in the magic of life. आपकी जिंदगी में आज से मैजिक, बिकॉज नाउ यू आर ऑन द मैजिक ट्रैक, स्टार्ट हो गया है. आपको ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा, बिलीव करना पड़ेगा और असाइनमेंट करनी पड़ेगी. इफ यू आर डूइंग दैट, द मैजिक इज इन योर लाइफ. right from today onwards. It started. So you may not see ranger fly, but you will see the things you have always wanted appearing before your eyes. And you will see the things you have dreamt of for so long suddenly. जो आपने कभी सोचा होगा वो भी होना शुरू हो जाएगा. You need to believe it happening. So you will never know exactly how everything weaved together for your dreams to come true, because magic works in the invisible realm, and that's the most thrilling part. Are you ready to experience the magic again? Are you ready to be filled with awe and wonder every day like when you were a child? Get ready for the magic. So you are at the right track. You will actually feel the magic every day. Our adventure begins 2000 years ago, when life-changing knowledge was hidden within a secret text. अब वो secret नहीं रहा है, अब वो that mystery is revealed. अब वो क्या mystery है? The following passage comes from the Gospel Matthew in the Holy Scriptures, and it has mystified, confused, and being misunderstood by many people over the century. Now, वो क्या चीज है? Whosoever has will be given more. जिसके पास वो है और वो देगा, and he will have an abundance. उसके पास ज्यादा से ज्यादा होगा. Whoever does not have even what he has will be taken from him. जो उनके पास नहीं है, उनके पास जो होगा वो भी चला जाएगा. तो आपको सोचना है किस बारे में बात हो रही है. You have to admit that when you read the passage, it appears unjust, as it seems to be saying that the rich will get richer and the poor will get poorer. But there is a riddle to be solved in this passage, a mystery to uncover, and when you know it is a new world will have opened up for you. और ये mystery क्या है? It is nothing but a hidden word, gratitude. Gratitude is the word. अगर आपकी जिंदगी में gratitude जितना आप करोगे, आपकी जिंदगी में ज्यादा से ज्यादा आता चला जाएगा. जितना कम करोगे, वो आपकी जिंदगी जितना है वो भी चला जाएगा. That is what it is. So now we are introducing the what is gratitude is. Whoever has a gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have a gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. By the revelation of one hidden word, a cryptic text is made crystal clear. 2000 years have passed since those words were recorded, but they are as true today as they were ever. If you don't take the time to be grateful, you will never have more. And what you do have will lose. And promise, and you don't have the time to be grateful, you will never have more, and what you do have will lose. And the promise of the magic that will happen with gratitude is in these words. If you are grateful, you will be given more, and you will have an abundance. From Quran, the promise of gratitude is equally emphatic. अब आप ये देखो, चाहे आप कुरान ले लो, चाहे आप जीसस की किताब ले लो, चाहे आप हमारे ऋग्वेदास ले लो, सब में एक ही चीज का है. शायद शब्द अलग हो जाते हैं, शुक्राना, शुक्रिया, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद, लेकिन वो जो गेस्चर है, इट रिमेन्स द सेम. So, and remember when God proclaimed, if you are grateful, I will give you more. And you are ungrateful, verily my punishment is indeed severe. So it doesn't matter what religion you follow or whether you are religious or not. These words from Holy Scriptures and the Quran apply to you and your life. और जितने भी हमारे religious किताब हैं, religion की किताब हैं, सब पे यही apply होता है. And they are describing a fundamental law of science and of the universe. तो ये एक fundamental law है universe का, और हर जगह यही apply होता है. अब आप ये सारा universal जो ये this is a universal law, that is what is going to define. These chapters are very, very important. There are 6-7 chapters and they are very important as a, क्योंकि first day है, हमें ये बात चीजें होनी बहुत जरूरी है कि क्या चीज है, तभी हम आगे के chapters को समझ पाएंगे. So that is why there is lots of theory, but just look into the words what they are talking to. The gratitude operates through a universal law that governs your whole life. According to the law of attraction, who governs all the energy in our universe. कुछ कोई पूछ रहा है? Sujata, are you saying something? Okay. So, from the formation of an atom to the movement of planets, like attracts like. आप ये देखो पूरी सृष्टि कैसे चल रही है, सारे planets कैसे, they all are systematic. So, किसी कोई तो law उनको draw कर रहा है, कोई तो law है जो इतना systematic काम हो रहा है. So, like attracts like. It because the law of attraction that the cells of every living creature are held together, as well as the substance of every material object in your life. The law operates on your thoughts and feelings. आपकी feelings और thoughts पे सब कुछ matter करता है, because they are energy too. Basically सब कुछ energy है. अभी थोड़े time पे हमको सब पता चल जाएगा कि क्या energy है, क्यों follow करते हैं, कैसे होता है. You will come to know everything. In your life, the law operates on your thoughts and feelings because they are energy. So whatever you think, whatever you feel, you attract. आप जो सोचोगे आप attract करोगे, जो feel करोगे वो attract करोगे. So if you think I don't like my job, I haven't got enough money, I can't get my perfect partner, I can't pay my bills, I think I'm coming down with something, he or she doesn't appreciate me, मैं ये हूँ मैं वो हूँ, जो हमारी फीलिंग्स जो आती है ना, तो हमारे को कभी भी हमारी जॉब अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. So I don't get along with my parents, my child is a problem, my life is a mess, my marriage is a trouble. So you will attract such kind of experiences in your life if you have such kind of complaints. But if you think that you are grateful for whatever job you have, the family you that they support, the best vacation, that I'm feeling amazing today, I got the biggest tax refund ever, I had a great weekend camping with my son, and sincerely feel and gratitude, and law of attraction says you must attract more of those things into your life. तो आप जो feel करेंगे आप वही attract करोगे अपनी life में. So this is, and it works in the same way as a metal being drawn to a magnet, and your gratitude is the magnet. आपका gratitude magnet है, और उस जो feeling आप करोगे gratitude उसी चीज को attract करेगा. अगर वो अच्छी है तो अच्छा attract करेगा, अगर वो बुरी intention है तो बुरा attract करेगा. So the more gratitude you have, the more abundance you will magnetize. So that is a universal law. So you will have heard saying, let's whatever goes around comes around. जो जाता है वही वापस आता है. So you reap what you sow. ये बातें तो हमने बहुत सुनी हुई हैं, but आप practically यहाँ महसूस भी करोगे जब आप आगे बढ़ेंगे हम. You get what you give. So well, all of those sayings are describing the same law. They're also describing the principle of the universe that the great scientist Sir Isaac Newton discovered. Newton's scientific discoveries included the fundamental laws of motion in the universe, one of which says every action always has an opposite and equal reaction. ये Newton's third law है, तो और ये बिल्कुल उसी हिसाब से काम करता है. अब वो कैसे करता है? When you apply the idea of gratitude to the Newton's law, it says every action of giving thanks always causes an opposite reaction of receiving. जो आप देते हो वही आप receive करते हो, and what you receive will always be equal to the amount of gratitude given. जिस तरह से आप gratitude देते हो उसी तरह से आप उसको receive भी करोगे. So it sets off a reaction of receiving, and the more sincerely and more deeply gratitude you feel, in other words, जिस intention से आपने gratitude दिया है, आपको result भी उसी intention से मिलेगा. So the golden thread of gratitude. Okay. So dating back thousands and thousands of years to the earliest recordings of humankind, the power of gratitude was preached and practiced, and from there was passed on through the centuries, sweeping across the continents, permeating in one civilization and culture to the next. The major religions of Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Hinduism, all have gratitude at their core. ये सारे religions में gratitude ही main focus किया जाता है. So Muhammad said that gratitude for the abundance you have received is the best insurance that the abundance will continue. Buddha said, you have no cause for anything but gratitude and joy. And Lao Tzu said that if you rejoice the way things are, the whole world will belong to you. Krishna said, whatever he is offered, he accepts with joy. King David spoke, giving thanks to the whole world for everything between the heavens and the earth. And Jesus said, thank you before he performed each miracle. तो हम देखेंगे इन्हीं चीजों को यूज करके हमने अपनी कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स बनाई हैं जो हम आगे यूज करेंगे. From the Australian Aborigines to the African Maasai and Zulu, from the American Navajo and Shawnee and Cherokee to Tahitians, Eskimo, Maori, the practice of gratitude is at the very root of most indigenous traditions. So when you arise in the morning, give thanks for the morning light. सुबह जब सूरज की किरण आती है, आप थैंक्स करो फॉर योर लाइफ. आज सूरज की किरण देखने को मिली, थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत लोग तो उठ ही नहीं पाए, उन्होंने सूरज देखा ही नहीं. एटलीस्ट वी आर ब्लेस्ड दैट वी हैव सीन द सन. एंड स्ट्रेंथ, गिव थैंक्स फॉर योर फूड. जो हम खाना खाते हैं, बहुत लोगों को तो खाना भी नहीं मिलता है, एटलीस्ट हम खाना खा पा रहे हैं, हम अपनी जिंदगी खुशी से जी पा रहे हैं. एंड द जॉय ऑफ लिविंग. इफ यू सी नो रीजन फॉर गिविंग थैंक्स, द फॉल्ट लाइज इन यू. अगर आपको लगता है ये चीजें थैंक्स करने के लिए नहीं है, तो देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग इन यू. सो वी हैव टू थैंक फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स. History is laden with famous figures who practiced gratitude, whose achievements put them amongst the greatest human beings who ever lived. Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King, Dalai Lama, Leonardo da Vinci, Plato, Shakespeare, Aesop, Blake, Emerson, Dickens, Proust, Descartes, Lincoln, Jung, Newton, Einstein and many more. जितने भी ये famous personalities थी, उनका मेन कोर क्या था? ग्रैटिट्यूड, ग्रैटिट्यूड, ग्रैटिट्यूड. Albert Einstein's scientific discoveries changed the way we see the universe. And when asked about his monumental achievements, he spoke. क्योंकि वो पूरे दिन में 100 या 1000 बार ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करता था चीजों को, इसीलिए वो इतना फेमस हो पाया. Only of giving thanks to others, one of the most brilliant minds of all kind thanked other people over 100 times a day for the work they had done. Is it any wonder that so many of life's mysteries were revealed to Albert Einstein? Is it any wonder? So the greatest scientist, every single day of his life, return, he received many forms of abundance. और gratitude show करते थे, उसके return में उनको वो एक achievement मिलता था, वो discovery मिलती थी. So Isaac in Newton was asked how he had achieved so many scientific discoveries he made. He said he stood on the shoulders of giants. Isaac Newton recently voted the greatest contributor to the science and humankind. He was the greatest contributor, and because he was so grateful to men and women who lived before him. So that is the best part. Now, the scientists and philosophers and inventors, discoverers and prophets who practiced gratitude reaped its results, and most were aware of its inherent power. Yet still, gratitude's power is unknown to most people today, because to experience the magic of gratitude in your life, you have to practice it. अब सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस यही नहीं करना है कि आपने किसी ने आपको गिफ्ट दिया, आपने उसको थैंक यू किया, किसी ने आपके लिए दरवाजा खोला, आपने उसको थैंक यू किया, किसी ने आपको कुछ ला के दिया, आपने उसको थैंक यू किया. हमें थोड़ा सा उससे ज्यादा आगे बढ़ के चलना है. So we will be telling you how we have to go about it. My discovery, my story is a perfect example of what life is like. When a person is ignorant of gratitude, what happens when you make gratitude a part of it? अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में ग्रैटिट्यूड को एक पार्ट बना लेंगे, देखो आपकी जिंदगी में क्या होगा. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल बता रहे हैं वो. और if I had been asked 6 years ago if I was a gratitude person, I would have answered yes for sure. And I would have answered yes for sure. I am a grateful person. I say thank you when I receive a gift. When someone opens the door for me, when a person does something for me, I always say thank you. The truth is that I was not a grateful person at all. I didn't know what being grateful really means. Just saying the word thank you on odd occasions certainly didn't mean that आप grateful हो. तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? Now, my life is without gratitude was pretty challenging. I was in debt and it was increasing a little bit more every month. I worked really hard, but my finances never improved. In trying to keep up with the mounting debt and obligations, I was living with a continuous undercurrent of stress. My relationship swung like a pendulum from fear to disastrous because I never seemed to have enough time for each person. So while I was what would be termed healthy, I felt exhausted at the end of each day. And I always got my fair share of colds and latest illnesses going around each season. I had moments of happiness when I went out with friends, when I went on vacations, but then the reality of having to work harder to pay for these pleasures would sweep over me. I wasn't living, I was just surviving. And from day to day, every paycheck to paycheck, I would no sooner solve one life problem than more problems would appear. But then something happened that would change everything in my life from that date forward. I discovered a secret about life, and as a result of my discovery, one of the things I began to do was practice gratitude each day. As a result of this, everything in my life changed. The more I practiced gratitude, the more miraculous were the results. My life truly became magical. तो आप जब ये मैजिकल प्रैक्टिस अपनी लाइफ में करेंगे तो आप देखोगे रोज एक नया दिन होगा, रोज एक मिराकुलस चेंजेस होंगे, रोज आपको कुछ नया मिलेगा. For the first time in my life, I became debt free. And shortly after that, I had all the money. I needed to do whatever I wanted. Problems in my relationships, work, health disappeared. And instead of facing daily obstacles, my days became filled with one good thing after another. My health, energy increased dramatically, and I felt better I had in my 20s. My relationships became much more meaningful. I enjoyed more good times with my family and friends in just few months than I had in all the previous years. More than anything else, I felt happier than I thought it was possible to feel. I was blissfully happy, the happiest I had ever been. Gratitude changed me. My whole life magically changed. तो आप ये देखो, जैसे उसने एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल दिया है कि उसने अपनी लाइफ में ग्रेटिट्यूड को लाके उसको अपने आप को डेट फ्री कर दिया और एवरी डे यू आर लिविंग अ वंडरफुल लाइफ. इन द सेम वे अभी आप जो जी रहे हो वो सर्वाइवल मोड में जी रहे हो, जो जैसे आ रहा है उसको वैसे जी रहे हो. When you become into, when you make the gratitude a part of your life, you will see that every day you are creating for yourself. अपना दिन आप खुद क्रिएट कर रहे हो, अपना दिन, अपना रिजल्ट आप खुद क्रिएट कर रहे हो. आप जो चाहते हो वो आपको मिलेगा and you are creating that. Bring the magic into your life. So this is what it is. Okay. So no matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, the magic of gratitude will change your entire life. अब वो ये प्रॉमिस कर रहा है, आप कहीं के भी हो, इंडिया के हो, बाहर के हो, किसी जगह पे भी हो, ग्रैटिट्यूड काम करेगा ही करेगा, नो मैटर व्हाट. So I have received letters from thousands of people in worst imaginable situations who have changed their lives completely by practicing gratitude. I have seen miracles take place in health where there seemed to be no hope. I have seen marriages saved and broken relationships transformed into magnificent relationships. I've seen those in total poverty become prosperous, and I've seen people in depression catapult into joyful and fulfilling lives. Gratitude can magically turn your relationships into joyful, meaningful relationships. And no matter what state they are now, gratitude can miraculously make you more prosperous so that you have money, you need to do the things you want to do. It will increase your health and bring a level of happiness beyond what you ever felt before. Gratitude will work its magic to accelerate your career, increase your success, bring your dreams job, and whatever it is you want to be, it will be in your lap, you know. In fact, whatever it is you want to be or do or have, gratitude is the only way you can receive it. The magical power of gratitude turns your life into gold. As you practice gratitude, you will understand why particular things in your life may have gone wrong. क्यों कुछ चीजें गलत हुई आपकी लाइफ में, क्यों आज आप किस जगह पे खड़े हो, आप यहाँ से क्या टर्न कर सकते हो, so you will live a happy life. So many things we will come to know that way. As you make gratitude a way of life, you will wake up each morning with excitement. You will find yourself completely in love with life. आप जब उठोगे आपको प्यार हो जाएगा अपनी लाइफ से, आपको प्यार हो जाएगा कि मैं आज का दिन कैसे शुरुआत करूंगा, आपको प्यार हो जाएगा कि आज मेरा ये रिजल्ट आएगा. You will love your life and you will find yourself completely in love with your life. Everything will seem effortless. You will feel as light as like a feather and happier than you ever felt before. While challenges may come, चैलेंजेस भी आएंगे, मैं ये नहीं कहती चैलेंजेस नहीं आएंगे, मैं ये नहीं कहती ऑब्स्टिकल्स नहीं आएंगे, बट आपके पास वो टूल होगा, वो मैजिक वैंड होगा, जादू की छड़ी होगी और वो जीनी वाला हमारा लैंप होगा जिससे आप उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. So every day will be magical, every day will be filled with far more magic than when you were a child. So उससे ज्यादा होगा. So अब हम ये देखना है कि is your life magical or not? You can tell right now how much you have actually used. अब आप सोच सकते हो अपनी लाइफ में कि आपने ग्रैटिट्यूड कहाँ कहाँ यूज किया है. मनी के टाइम पे यूज किया है, हेल्थ में यूज किया है, हैप्पीनेस में यूज किया है, करियर में यूज किया है, होम में यूज किया है, रिलेशनशिप्स में यूज किया है, कहाँ यूज किया आपने. सो द एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ दैट आर अबंडेंट एंड वंडरफुल आर वेयर यू हैव यूज्ड ग्रैटिट्यूड. आपने यूज किया है, अगर यूज किया होगा तो आपने मैजिक देखा होगा, एंड दैट इज द रिजल्ट. यू नो, द एनी एरिया दैट आर नॉट अबंडेंट एंड वंडरफुल आर जो एरिया आपका कंसर्न एरिया है, जहां आप चाहते हो कि आपको काम करना है, जहां आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, वहां पे कुछ कमी नहीं है, सिर्फ एक चीज की कमी है, वो है ग्रैटिट्यूड. एंड दिस session, these sessions will teach you, this will guide you, this will tell you how you have to show gratitude to that area. It is as simple a fact, when you are not grateful, you cannot receive in return. So you have stopped the magic from continuing in your life. When you are not grateful, you stop the flow of better health, better relationship, better joy, better money, and advancement of your job, career, business. To receive and to have, it is law. It is a law. Gratitude is nothing but giving thanks, and without it, you cut yourself off from the magic. आप thanks नहीं करते हो, आप अपने आप को magic से तोड़ लेते हो. That is why you are not receiving anything. So bottom line of ungratefulness is that when you are not grateful, you are taking everything as granted. And when you take things as granted unintentionally, तो law of attraction वही unlike चीजें attract करता है. So that is what it is. If we take something granted, it will be taken from us. So whoever does not have a gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Most certainly you have been grateful at various times in your life, but to see the magic and cause a radical change to your current circumstances, you have to practice gratitude and make it in a new way of life. So अब बस एक छोटी सी चीज और है कि मैजिक फॉर्मूला क्या है. मैजिक फॉर्मूला ये है, नॉलेज इज अ ट्रेजर, एक खजाना है. नॉलेज एक खजाना है, और उस खजाने को जो प्रैक्टिस करते हो ना, दैट वो उसकी चाबी है. राइट? सो दैट इज द थिंग. सो ancient myths and legends say that to bring forth magic, a person must say the magic words. Bringing forth magic from gratitude works in the same way. First you must say magic word. अब सबसे बड़ा magic word क्या है हमारी लाइफ का? Thank you. I cannot begin to tell you how important word thank you are for your life. आपकी आंख खुले, आप थैंक यू बोलो. जब आपकी आंख बंद हो तो आप थैंक यू बोलो. आप देखो आपकी जिंदगी कैसे चेंज होती है. कोई नई रीजन नहीं है, बट फिर भी थैंक यू. So I cannot begin to tell you how important the word thank you are for your life. To live in gratitude, to experience magic in your life, thank you must, the two words, deliberately said and feel more than other words. Thank you is the bridge from where you are now to the life which you really want to live. वो एक ऐसा ब्रिज है जो आप जीना चाहते हो और जो आज का है. तो मैजिक फॉर्मूला क्या हुआ? एक इंटेंशनली, दिल से, desperately think and say thank you, thank you, thank you. The more deep it is, the more good it is. So I would love everybody to take your right hand and put it on your heart and just say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you that I am into this session. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you God, thank you universe. I'm so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very good. So the more deliberately think and say magic word thank you, the more gratitude. और आपको देखो अंदर से बड़ा अच्छा फील होगा. और आज से आपका मैजिक स्टार्ट है. When you are here, the magic has already begun. Gratitude is a feeling. So the ultimate aim in practicing gratitude is deliberately feel. इसकी फीलिंग सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है और वही एक्सेलरेट करती है मैजिक को आपकी लाइफ में. तो न्यूटन्स का जो लॉ है, व्हाट यू गिव यू रिसीव इक्वली. दैट मीन्स अगर आपका ग्रैटिट्यूड बढ़ता रहेगा, आपकी लाइफ में मैजिक होता रहेगा. हर रिजल्ट में मैजिक होगा. सो योर लाइफ विल एक्सपैंड टू इक्वल टू योर फीलिंग. जितनी इंटेंशन से आप थैंक यू बोलोगे, आपकी लाइफ एक्सपैंड होती चली जाएगी, मैजिक आता चला जाएगा. When you discover how little practice it takes, it is easy to incorporate gratitude into daily life. सिर्फ याद रखना है कि वो करना है आपने, वही भूल जाते हैं हम. If you practice gratitude a little, your life will change a little. अगर आप gratitude practice ज्यादा करोगे, आपकी लाइफ ज्यादा चेंज होगी. So you just go on doing it and imagine that it is happening. Okay, so now ये जो हमने चैप्टर्स पढ़े, ये 6-7 चैप्टर्स थे, विच इज द फाउंडेशन. इसमें बताया कि हमें ग्रैटिट्यूड करना है, हमें ये बताया है कि एक केस स्टडी भी बताई है कि कौन किस तरह से वो अपने डेट फ्री हो पे आया. तो इसी तरह से ये जो पूरी किताब है 28 चैप्टर्स की, इसको हमने 4 भागों में डिवाइड किया है. जब फर्स्ट वीक होगा ना, वो थोड़ा थोड़ा धीरे धीरे चलेंगे आप, तो वो आपके फाउंडेशन ले करेगा, आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा बताएगा आपने इस तरह से करना है, आपने ऐसे थैंक यू करना है, आपने ऐसे करना है. एक फाउंडेशन ले करेगा फर्स्ट वीक में. आप उस फाउंडेशन के ऊपर जब और प्रैक्टिस हम करेंगे, जब और टेक्निक्स हम बताएंगे, तो आप धीरे धीरे चलना सीखोगे ग्रैटिट्यूड के साथ. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वॉकिंग विद योर ग्रैटिट्यूड, अब थर्ड लेवल में जब और टेक्निक्स आप सीखोगे उसके साथ, तो आप थोड़ा भागना शुरू करोगे. ठीक है. एंड द फोर्थ, जो आपका लास्ट वीक होगा, आप उड़ना शुरू कर दोगे. यू विल लव टू फ्लाई. यू नो, आप जो बोलोगे वो होता चला जाएगा, जो बोलोगे होता चला जाएगा, प्रोवाइडेड यू आर डूइंग द प्रैक्टिस. सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस की कमी है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है. सो ग्रैटिट्यूड इज द ओपन डोर टू अबंडेंस. तो हर चीज ग्रैटिट्यूड पे डिपेंड करती है, और इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ यू आर डूइंग इट. और आपके एरियाज क्या क्या है? आपकी हेल्थ है, आपकी बॉडी है, आपका करियर है, आपका वर्क है, मनी है, रिलेशनशिप्स है, पर्सनल डिजायर्स एंड मटेरियल थिंग्स है. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. सो some journeys need no roads, just a willing heart. तो ये जो जर्नी है, या हमारे को दिल चाहिए. ये कोई रास्ता नहीं है, ये कोई जगह नहीं है, ये वो हार्ट है जो आपको वहां तक लेके जाएगा जहां तक आप जाना चाहते हो, जिसकी वजह से आप यहाँ पे हो कि मुझे आगे यहाँ तक पहुंचना है. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात, प्लीज एक्सेप्ट. नाउ हियर आई वांट everybody, those who are here in this session, they must accept this responsibility कि आप आज जो भी हो, you are responsible for yourself, nobody else, no circumstances, no people. कोई नहीं है आपकी जगह पे रिस्पॉन्सिबल, आप हो. आपने अगर आज ये वाला जो आपका ये जो चैप्टर है सीख लिया कि आप ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो, आपकी जर्नी बहुत स्मूथ हो जाएगी, बिकॉज यू आर द क्रिएटर ऑफ योर लाइफ. सो एक्सेप्ट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज से, आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर हु आई एम, I am responsible for what I have, I am responsible for what I do. All of you please say to yourself, I am responsible for who I am responsible for what I have, I am responsible for what I do. मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है आज मैं जो भी हूं, मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है आज मेरे पास जो भी है और जो मैं करूंगा. अब जब आपने अपने ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली, तो आप देखना कैसे मिरेकल होगा. बस एक चीज ध्यान रखना, रोज एक डोज विटामिन जी का जाना चाहिए. सबके पास विटामिन जी है? विटामिन जी इज नथिंग बट a vitamin of gratitude. So please, every day you have to take this dose of vitamin G. Rose, subha sham, vitamin G, and that will transform your life. Yes, अब थोड़ा सा इसको हम बाद में देखेंगे. I'll show you one beautiful video, क्योंकि बहुत देर से हमारी थ्योरी होगी. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद आवर क्या हो गया ये.
Must say either to yourself or
a very beautiful video. You will love it, and please implement in your life.
to somebody else. Subah.
So basically, in that there is one chapter wherein it talks about the crux of Isha Upanishad, and wherein, it says 2 or 3 things, right? And I could see, I've read that many times with full devotion, with a loving heart and everything. I've imbibed it also. But today, somehow or the other, the importance that I saw, right? When it talks about, and the crux of Isha Upanishad with Sai Baba of Shirdi gave out, is that one, whatever God does is good for you. Number one. Number two, to be content in life, to be happy, right? And third one, be thankful for whatever you're having in your life.
Yeah.
So I know we all have our own share of problems and miseries, right? So
Yes.
Ignoring that, and then when I correlate it with the laws of attraction, correct? Like if suppose somebody, who is mentally depressed or something, he or she might always feel like that. So he or she is attracting that, correct? But at the same time, when I understood, when I was going through, I was devoutly listening to your entire whatever you taught us today. So somehow, or not somehow, I mean, it exactly correlates, to the crux of, Isha Upanishad. And I am a staunch believer of everything. I mean, the spirituality is the fountain from which, there are different religions that emerge, basically.
Yes.
So but I mean, it magnified the chapter that I had read in Science at Charitra, correct, on narrated by Sai Baba.
Yeah.
Today I understood its importance.
Yes. Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
All that I can
Thank
say.
you.
Thank you very much.
Because I have read that.
Thank you for sharing this piece of information.
Thank you so much, because I also read that, because I'm also a devotee of Sai Baba, I believed him. And I had that book also, because when I started this magic session, I could actually correlate that also. So thank you for bringing that up, it's really, really amazing. Thank you so much for being here. Anybody else would like to share anything? Okay, anybody is writing something? There are 29.
Ma'am.
Yes.
As usual, I have a song.
Please.
Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. Yes, eternal is his love. So we should always constantly give thanks to God for everything that is happening in our life.
Amazing, Priya. Thank you so much for such wonderful, song.
Thank you.
Now,
thank you.
What we are going to do is, अब ये आज का थोड़ा सा theoretical session ज़्यादा था, because there were so many chapters that needs to be covered. So every time what we are going to do is, we'll be reading the chapter, we will be pondering the chapter, we'll be practicing it, and one class activity will happen every time. There will be lots of case studies that will be discussed in the session. Regular assignments will be given as per the book, also as per my, way, that. And one day, either Friday, either Thursday or Saturday, we'll be having a practical session other than the book, where we will be practicing a real time kind of a thing. Like, I will be giving you lots of techniques to do abundance in wealth, abundance in health, abundance in money, abundance in relationships. So we work on all those things, one-to-one interaction happens, and we are just a practical complete session we take, either on Thursday or Saturday. I just announce it at that time, and every time we have a video which is connected to the topic that will be there in the session. And once a week, we will be keeping one doubt session also, just half an hour, ahead of the session. So any doubt anybody is having, they can say, they can ask. And I will be providing you one workbook, which I'll be sharing right now. You will be doing every assignment, everything in that workbook only. And this time I'm not keeping any class on Sunday, because on everybody's demand, one day should be off for everybody. So that is why Sunday is kept as off. And if anybody has some critical concerns or something, so they can actually, contact me personally for personal mentoring also. So this is what it is. And just think, what are you taking from today's session? आज के session से आप क्या लेके जा रहे हो? क्या 3 points लेके जा रहे हो यहाँ से, अभी तक जितना किया आपने?
Accepting responsibility, expressing humble gratitude, correct, and 2 points I could, I mean,
okay, got it. And anybody else who would like to share, can you put it on the chat box, please? Love yourself, express gratitude. Wonderful.
You are beautiful. Today is an awesome day. May I help you?
Wow.
Appreciate others. Express your love. Life is precious. Yeah, I can do it.
Wow.
Nothing is constant. And thank you.
Thank you, Sujata. Thank you for taking it on. Thank you so much. Okay. Next. Okay. What is the assignment for today? Assignment is, आज को ज़्यादा assignment नहीं है, सिर्फ एक ही assignment है कि what do you want from your life? Your dream list. आज आप dream list बनाओगे, और ग्रुप के ऊपर मैं मैजिक जो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन की मूवी डाल दूंगी. आपने लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन की मूवी देखनी है, और आज मस्ती मारनी है और ड्रीम्स लिखने हैं, बस या 2 काम है आपके।
ये तो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट काम है।
इम्पोर्टेंट काम है, बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाट यू रियली वांट फ्रॉम योर लाइफ।
सी मेरे टी शर्ट में भी लिखा है लव योरसेल्फ।
यस,
मैं ऐसे ही कपड़े खरीदती हूँ।
so that is why you have to be, you know, आज की इंटेंशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो अपने ड्रीम्स लिखने बोल रहे, आपको क्या चाहिए। डोंट थिंक पैसे हैं नहीं है, कैसे होगा क्या होगा, वो मत सोचो, वो बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना। क्या चाहिए सिर्फ वो सोचना है। And that is what I would like to share, and I would like to show you one workbook which I'll be sharing with everyone.
Ma'am, we have to upload this on Google every day? We have to upload this on Google every day?
No, no,
Yes,
but you will
always.
take a snapshot and send it to me. मैं जो एक लिंक भेजूंगी उसमें आपने उसके अंदर अपलोड कर देना है, बस वो मेरे लिए ठीक हो जाएगा, बस सिर्फ डेट के साथ. So this is the workbook that has been created. Here, this is the first page, and here I've written I am. This is my motivated, because I call myself motivated Monica. So I want you to give one adjective to yourself. एक word जो आपको दर्शाता है, एक adjective जो आपको depict करता है. You have to find out that adjective, and you will write down that adjective and then your full name over there. And here all the gratitude statements, that this you need to complete it. ये आपको full करने हैं. I will just एक एग्जाम्पल ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, आपने किस तरह से लिखना है. रेस्ट यू नीड टू फिल इट अप. सो एवरी डे 10 ग्रैटिट्यूड स्टेटमेंट्स आपने लिखनी है. सो दिस इज द वर्कबुक विच इज देयर. एंड देन ये सेल्फ लव विच मिरर एक्सरसाइज जो भी हम करवाएंगे वो है, और इसमें सारी स्टेटमेंट्स लिखिए. आपने अपने लिए चूज करनी है कि जो आपको बेस्ट लगती है. यू विल चूज फॉर योर सेल्फ. यू विल राइट इट ओवर हियर. देन ड्रीम लिस्ट. ये ड्रीम लिस्ट कैसे लिखनी है, ये आपका पूरा स्टेटमेंट्स लिखा है. यू जस्ट हैव टू फिल इट अप. सो इट इज काइंड ऑफ अ वर्कबुक which I will be sharing, because आज को होमवर्क नहीं है. कल जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर, this was the 0 chapter today that we did. Tomorrow is the day 1 chapter. So you will be getting one gist, a small gist of chapter 1, then the assignment, and then this workbook. So you will be filling every day. तो मैं एक एक आपको देती रहूंगी और आप उसको कंपाइल करके आप इसका प्रिंट आउट भी निकलवा सकते हो येलो पेजेस पे, नहीं तो आप अपने लैपटॉप पे कहीं भी आप इसको स्टोर करके भी रख सकते हो. सो इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू गो अबाउट इट. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज दैट आई विल बी गिविंग इट टू यू. और डेली प्रैक्टिस के हिसाब से आपको रोज जो जो करना है वो यहाँ पे आपका पूरा फॉर्मेट बना हुआ है, जस्ट टू फिल इट अप. दैट्स इट. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज लाइक. सो दिस इज व्हाट द वर्कबुक इज अबाउट. एंड anybody has to share anything other than this? Great. So thank you so much. Such a wonderful word this is. And from today onwards, your magical journey has started. And I would request, you can request your friend circle or somebody who can come over here. 2 days, they can attend the class, and they want to enroll. Till Thursday, they can enroll over here, you know. Let them come, let them feel it, let them have the session over here, and they want to enroll themselves, they can start enrolling from Thursday onwards. Thursday के बाद फिर block हो जाएगा, Thursday के बाद ज़्यादा नहीं जाएगा, फिर और नहीं attend करेंगे. So thank you so much, and I love you all. I really loved being with you. Amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the session.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a magical evening, everybody. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.